G'day guys, my name's Sean. I'm the General English Advanced Teacher here at Inforum Education. So this week we're going to be covering 2 units, Going Out Vocab and Science and Nature. In the Going Out units, we'll be looking at phrases and idioms connected to going out and socializing. In terms of grammar, we'll be discussing noun phrases. So, how to make large nouns. We'll be looking at prepositional phrases, relative clauses, compound nouns. And in the second unit, Science and Nature, we'll be focusing on technical vocabulary connected to science and nature. In terms of grammar, we'll be discussing all of the passive structures, but most importantly, why we use these. See ya!